This is the craziness of the Nairobi city when it rains. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Your channel. I'm going to show you how crazy the Nairobi city is when it is almost pouring, when it's pouring. So this is a traffic jam. It is just caused by nothing. You can literally say nothing caused this jam actually. So cars are not moving, people are just moving helter-skelter, motorists are trying to escape the rain and make a rush, not to cause some maybe to delay somewhere, or maybe to experience a lot of downpour, but this is the real Nairobi city at this particular moment. So everybody is trying to move faster. In fact, the worst of it all is about motorists. Motorists are really causing chaos at times in this great city of Nairobi, the Nairobi city. Look at that. So enjoy this video to the fullest. Make sure you also like this video. Just like, drop a comment. What do you think about this video right here?
Iya. Bisa pika.